Yeah, of course.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
Thank you.
There you go. What are we thinking?
Mac and cheese hot dog cup.
All right, 1 cup, please. Comes out to $14.26. How's the day treating you, my friend?
It's good, buddy. How you guys been?
I can't complain. Trying to stay cool with the AC going on, you know what I mean?
Is it helping in there?
It helps a little bit.
Right.
It's definitely not the best to be wearing a sweatshirt, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I bet.
All right, we got it ready for you.
You go stand at the top of the shade over there. Behind.
Bam. There you go, my friend.
Stand directly behind us.
Thanks, buddy.
Yep. We got anything on the mind, maybe?
Let's see. I'm just trying to see which one's good on here.
If you're looking for recommendations, I would say go for that full throttle.
Full throttle?
Yeah, full throttle.
Yeah, let me get that.
All right, 1 full throttle. Promise you, you'll get filled up. 1316. And bam. All right. Alrighty, my friend.
All right, thank you.
This for you. We'll buzz you when we're ready, all right?
All right.
Thank you. How you guys?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. What are we
Can I get a
thinking?
banana pudding, please?
Yeah, of course. Give me 1 second. 768. Is that going to be all for you?
Yes.
Alrighty. Full throttle. Perfect. Alrighty.
Appreciate you, bud.
Here's this for you. Have a good one, y'all.
Thank you.
What are we thinking, you guys?
You were doing a Dubai strawberry cup?
Yeah, of course.
Tiramisu.
Alrighty. Bam and bam. That comes out to $27.42.
2 people? How many is that over there?
There's 2 here. There's 4 in total.
4?
Yeah. Give me 1 second, okay?
Yeah, no worries.
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, I'd say about 4. So here's the first one. Bam. And bam.
1 for you.
Oh, yeah, I will not turn that down.
1 for you. It's Romanian traditional skinless sausage.
Yeah.
There is another couple over here. They left?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, you have 2 more over here.
And this, we have an idea on what we might be one.
The full throttle. Is the full throttle dog spicy?
No.
No. Okay. We'll do that one.
Okay. Just the one for you, 1 full throttle.
Yes. Say, did you want a hot dog too? Do you want the mac and cheese hot dog?
I want a full throttle dog too.
So 2 full throttles?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want the mac and cheese hot dog?
Take that, 2 of them.
And then we'll do the mac and cheese hot dog
Uh-huh.
too.
And then a mac and cheese. All right. That comes out to $36.20.
You guys accept cash?
We do indeed.
All right, you can keep the change.
Oh, thank you. Then I will give you this,
Perfect.
and we'll buzz you when we're ready, okay?
Thank you.
Mac and cheese.
Perfect.
And I'm doing
2 full throttles. I'm ready whenever you guys are, if you are. Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Great. How are you?
Good.
What are we thinking?
I'll get a full throttle.
All right. Make that 1 more full throttle. Anything else for you?
No, that'll do it.
All right. That comes out to $13.16. Okay. All right. Now we just need 2 more. Here is that for you.
That was quick.
Yep. All right, you are all set?
All right, appreciate you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Hi, you guys.
Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Can I just get like a plain dog? Like,
Yeah, nothing on it?
Nothing on it.
All right.
Yeah. Meat and bread. Just like all the rest of the kids.
Uh-huh, $6.58. All right, one plain hot dog.
No, she'll
All right,
eat them.
don't leave just yet because that's like the quickest thing in the entire world. You ready?
What's that?
If you close your eyes and you go plain hot dog, it's there. There you go.
Ketchup, mustard, mayo.
Nope.
All right.
She don't like nothing on it.
Okay. What are we thinking? The cup? Okay. One mac and cheese hot dog cup. And then, am I getting anything else for y'all? Okay. $14.26. How's your day going?
I'm good, yours?
I can't complain, man. It's nice, it's sunny out, and I woke up.
But you're in the shade. That's just hot.
Uh-huh. But do you see what I'm wearing?
Yeah.
The moment I step outside, I'm gonna regret everything in existence. And then don't leave just yet. We have the flash working today, so the cup will be out in literally like 5 more seconds. All right, let me get you a fork. Did you want to try some meat? Did you want to try some? Are you sure? Did you want to try some? It's on the house.
Okay, I'll try.
It's traditional Romanian skinless sausage. All right, here you go, bud. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, you guys. I'm ready whenever you are. Come out. Oh, welcome back. If it ain't my favorite people. How are we doing today?
Pretty good, and you?
It's going pretty good. It's starting to pick up. Feeling really good about it. You know what I mean?
Hello.
How's it going?
Are you by yourself? No.
No, got the whole team.
Yeah.
Oh, what's
Hello.
going on, you little tater tot?
Say she stood up today on her own for
No
the first time.
way.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, well, what are we thinking, you guys?
We've come to try the Romanian sausage.
Okay, one meat. How many were you want? Just one?
How big are they?
They're about yay big. They're not as long as the hot dogs, but they're thicker.
Just one. This
Okay,
time.
one meat, and then hold on, give me 1 second.
Just one total.
Yeah. Just the sandwich, right? Just the
Yeah.
Okay.
Does it come in a sandwich?
Yeah, it comes in a bun.
Okay. I've never had the Romanian sausage. Usually when my girlfriend made them,
Uh-huh.
they were like little tiny sausages.
Yeah, so we pair. Go back. There we go.
I can see it. Do you want me to give you one?
Here, did you want to try it?
Sure.
Oh, there you go. Anyways, it gets paired with mustard and bread. We have more. You can be selfish. You don't have to share. Okay. All right, that is ready whenever you are. $8.89. Oh, thing down. Okay.
But it would taste really good with cheese. Oh, that was mustard, babe.
Oh, okay. I'm going to give this to you, and we'll buzz you up when we're ready, okay? So yeah, just the one meat sandwich. All right, I'll take that. There you go. Thank you. Have a good one.
You want a hot dog? Okay.
Hi.
Yes, baby.
Can I do a mac and cheese dog, please?
Yeah.
And then could I just do regular hot dogs too?
Yeah.
And then do you guys have any, what are the drinks?
Just water.
Just water? Can
Yeah.
I
That's fine.
Just get some water?
Yeah. The classic dog comes with mayo, mustard, and ketchup. Is that all right?
What for Sissy? Just plain?
ketchup.
Just ketchup. Yeah.
All right. We're gonna do another mac and cheese hot dog, and then classic, just ketchup. Oh, and a water. There we go. 1865. is for you. And then don't leave just yet, all right?
All right.
And we'll buzz you when we're ready, all right? Okay. What's that? That as well. Thank you. What are we thinking?
Hi. Can I do them? No, not that one. Sorry.
The cup?
Yeah, there we go.
The mac and cheese cup?
And then a bottle of water.
Of course. That comes out to $17.55. Go. Alright, don't leave yet, because that cup is going to be ready in literally like 2 seconds.
Thank you.
Alright. Thank you. Have a good one. Oh, there you go.
What?
And then,
Then I was
yeah,
gonna
just
drop
a
it?
plain ketchup.
Did you laugh because you thought I was going to drop it? Hold on.